What is going on, guys? We are here with IMEI Unlock SIM official YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have a tutorial for you on how to unlock AT&T iPhone 10 or 10s, 10X Max, or any of the newer iPhones. The first step to start the unlock process is to get your IMEI number. Previously, you could get this number by just going into Settings app under General, and then go to About, scroll down, and then you will find your IMEI number. Or use Dial app and typing in *# or 6 pounds, however. Once you have this number, write it down. Keep it somewhere safe as we will need it for the next step in the process. Next, we're going to go to IMEI Unlock SIM. The link would be down in the description below. But we have a great service and we offer great prices. Find the phone that you're looking for. In this case, the iPhone 7 Plus that's locked to AT&T. On the next screen, enter the IMEI number as well as the model of the phone. Once you enter in all the information and complete checkout, we just wait until you receive an email from IMEI Unlock SIM Company. All you have to do to finalize the unlock process is to insert in a new SIM card from a different carrier. I will remove the AT&T SIM and put in a SIM card from somewhere like T-Mobile. With a new SIM card installed, all you have to do is connect the Wi-Fi and the unlock process is done. You can now use your phone with any GSM carrier in the world. Additionally, you can also connect the phone to iTunes, plug it in, and restore the phone, and then your phone will be unlocked. But connecting to Wi-Fi is easier. That is it for the unlock tutorial video. Let us know if we helped you guys. Leave a like and do not forget to click subscribe for the latest cell phone unlock tutorial instructions and methods.